Hello everyone, this is Shenzhen Courier Company. Now let's show you how to use our new installation machine to marking the iPhone 11. Okay, first we need to turn on the software, open the software. Okay, I will show you again. Turn on, open it. Okay, and here have the brand. Choose brand 11, iPhone 11. Apple, sorry, choose the Apple, and the model is iPhone 11. iPhone 11, okay, and load. Okay, so now the join is coming, okay, like this. We choose it, okay, and now I need to move this to the sensor area, okay, because we need to measure it. We measure it, just enter the autofocus. And you will see it measure by itself. Okay, and now it's come down. And later, after you see the green light, it means it's the correct size. Okay, now it's okay. We can move it here. Okay, move back. Yeah, because this is only the back glass. Okay, and now we will choose this join, make the red light. Okay, you will see it correctly on the back glass. If you feel you don't know if correct well, then I will teach you another way. Choose this whole join, okay, and the delete. Here have the delete. Did you see? Delete. Okay, and only click this line. Yes, the edge. Okay, and choose the select mount and the red light. Then you will see if correct on the machine, on the back glass. Okay, it can see very clearly, and also you can choose the camera place. Yes, do it on it correctly. Okay, and now I need to hatchback. So choose here and hatchback. Yes, okay. Okay, now you will see. And now, red light. Okay, but first I want to show you, and now I want to show you how to marking the logo. Okay, you turn off it. Okay, I will turn on again about the software. And here have the T. Did you see? And I want to tap the go where. GOWELL. Okay, go where. And application. You will see go where here, and you can move it. Okay, and you can hatch it also. Hatch, and you can make it like big or smaller. First I want to see where is it now. Red light, okay, you will see it's big, so I want to make it smaller, and I want to let it be near of the edge side. Okay, and it's here. Okay, I want to be a little left. Red light again. Yeah. Okay, now it's perfect. I will marking it. Okay, I will marking it. First stop it and marking. F2, marking, okay? Marking. And if your customer want to DIY the picture or the words on the back glass before you're preparing for it, you can marking it where? Here. on the good back glass. Then you can put back to your customer's phone. Very nice. Okay, and now I want to mark it. Okay, Apple and brand and brand 11. Here, load. Okay. Yes, and you will see it here. And we choose it and make it red light again. Red light. And you will see it's correct on the back glass. And now stop it and marking. Okay, we will start marking it. Yes, it's very nice. Yeah, very nice. Wow, I want to have an iPhone 11 green color. I like it very well. I like it so much. You will see it's avoid the important place about the cameras and the wireless charger and the flash cables area. Wow, very nice. You will see here. This is the iPhone 11 after marking. Yes. Very nice. And also this is our quality back glass. Very good. And also the price came down a lot. Welcome you come to contact us for the laser machine price and the back glass price. Thank you. Welcome to Gowear. Thank you, Shenzhen Gowear Company.